Happy Republic Day! Republic Day is one of the 3 national holidays which is celebrated every year in India on 26th of January. India, being culturally diverse society, celebrates many holidays and festivals. But there are only 3 national festivals: Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Today we will learn more about Republic Day. It was on this day in 1950 that the Indian Constitution came into existence, turning the nation into newly formed republic. The Constitution of India is a huge document. This constitution was drafted by an assembly of around 300 members, headed by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. It took almost 3 years to draft the constitution. Shall I tell you one interesting fact? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who is also known as the father of the Constitution of India, he studied the constitution of about 60 countries. Can you believe it? The governing principle of the Indian Constitution is of the people, for the people and by the people, which signifies that people of India can select their own government. On this day, the President of India hoists the national flag. He honors the brave citizens of India by presenting bravery awards such as Paramveer Chakra, Mahavir Chakra, Veer Chakra, Ashok Chakra, Kirti Chakra, Shaurya Chakra and Children's National Bravery Award. The Prime Minister of India lays a wreath at Amar Jawan Jyoti at India Gate to show respect to the martyred soldiers. The Republic Day Parade is the main attraction on this day, which is attended by thousands of people at Rajpath in Delhi. The Republic Day Parade is led by the 3 divisions of Indian Armed Forces: Navy, Air Force and the Indian Army. Besides this, there are several cultural tableaux, rally of marching soldiers, military bands, aircraft shows, and display of spectacular skills and daring on military vehicles. The schools in India have a holiday on this day, but students come to school and celebrate this national day by hoisting the national flag, doing march past, performing dances, skits and having sweets. So let us all celebrate this festival with great enthusiasm. Jai Hind!